Those dogs used to be white.
Look at Big Ben. They are just having a field day. Yeah. They're cooling themselves off, having fun. It's been a while since I've seen really running and having fun.
Well, you haven't seen them out the back here. They go through the pond like that in the back all the time, every day. What is that smell of the butt?
That's how they say hello.
I know.
Oh, I'm up here. Call Dallas.
Dallas!
Open up the door for him.
Dallas! Come on, Dallas! Come on!
Open the door for him.
Cookie!
Dallas!
Big Ben's coming.
Yeah.
Come here, Dallas! Come here! Come here, Dallas! Come here, Dallas! Come here, Dallas! Oh, Dallas! Come on! Come on, Dallas! Come on!
Don't let him in the... No, don't let him in. Alright, put him back down. I just wanted to see what he looked like.
Down, down, down. Down, down.
Poor goats.
Down, down, down.
Watch out, watch out.
Down, down.
Big horse, big feet.
Yeah.
Down, down.
Here's some carrots.
He walked away.
Go.
Donald.